Hello, my name is Jamie Cepeda Jimenez. I talk about activities and plans. What are your plans for the weekend? Next weekend, I will attend the celebration of 50 years old of a good friend on Saturday. On Sunday, I will accompany my children to some soccer games that they have together with my husband. What is your job study routines? I am a primary school teacher. I usually from Monday to Friday I get up at 5 o'clock a.m. I shower at a quarter past 5 a.m. Then I get dressed at 5:30 a.m. I have breakfast at a quarter to 6 and I brush my teeth at 6 o'clock a.m. I go to work at 10 past 6 a.m. because my working hours are from 6:30 to 12 noon. I get home usually at 12:30 p.m. and I have lunch with my family at 1 o'clock p.m. The time that I usually dedicate to study from 6 p.m. until 12 p.m. because I do my homework and attend web conferences, CPAS, and speaking encounters. What sport do you practice? I don't practice any sport, but I do daily functional exercise at home with sport elements such as weights, dumbbells, bands, Pilates ball, and treadmill. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? I would like to travel to Walt Disney because it's a magic and beautiful place. Also, my kids will love it because they like Disney movies and in this place they could have too much fun. Okay, thank you.